When it comes to finding the best food processor under $100, there are a few things that we take into consideration. First and foremost, we only spotlight products that have received rave reviews from both customers and experts, so you can be confident in your purchase. We also consider the price of each product. While we believe that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get a quality food processor, we understand that everyone's budget is different. We've done the research through hundreds of customers and expert reviews to find the best food processors under $100. These are the ones we recommend. So, without further ado, let's take a look at some of the best affordable food processors. Number 1. Cuisinart Elemental 8-Cup Food Processor. If you're looking for a food processor that is durable yet powerful, the Cuisinart 8-Cup is the perfect choice. The 350-watt motor provides plenty of power for everyday food prep tasks, and the convenient rubberized controls make it easy to use. With a generous 8-cup work bowl with measurement markings and a wide feed with food pusher, this food processor will save you time and effort in the kitchen. The 8-cup work bowl makes it a snap to prepare foods. Whether you're chopping nuts, pureeing soup, slicing tomatoes, or shredding cheese, the Cuisinart 8-cup is up to the task. The convenient rubberized controls, high, low, off, and pulse, make it easy to use, while the exclusive patent-pending seal-tight Advantage system seals the bowl and locks the blade in place for safety and convenience. The adjustable slicing disc and reversible shredding disc provide medium to fine options for a variety of tasks, while the chopping, mixing, dough blade takes care of everything else. The Cuisinart food processor allows you to quickly and simply prepare big servings of ingredients for meals with little work. With so many options and such easy operation, it is a must-have for any kitchen. This may be the best food processor overall, below $100 Number 2. KitchenAid 7-Cup Food Processor. This innovative design features a one-click, twist-free assembly and a latched lid for easy setup. It's an easy-to-use food processor that will make light work of your meal preparations. With 3 speed options and easy press paddles with illuminated LED controls, you'll have all the power and control you need to create culinary magic. The high, low, and pulse speeds are perfect for handling a variety of ingredients with precision. With the easy press paddles and illuminated LED controls, operation is simple. It has 3 speed options and easy press paddles with illuminated LED controls. You can chop, slice, puree, and shred everything from cucumbers to tomatoes, cheeses, and more with the reversible medium slicing, shredding disc, and multi-purpose chopping blade. In the 2-in-1 feed tube, you can process a variety of shapes and sizes of food ingredients. The dishwasher-safe bowl, lid, and accessories are easy to clean. This machine has a compact design, in-bowl accessory storage, and a handy cord wrap. Whether you're chopping, pureeing, or slicing, the KitchenAid 8-Cup is up to the task. So make your life easier in the kitchen and add one of these handy food processors to your countertop today. Number 3. Ninja 9-Cup Professional Plus Food Processor. Make culinary creations like a pro with the Ninja 9-Cup Professional Plus Food Processor. With a powerful 1000W motor, it can easily handle even the toughest ingredients. There are dedicated blades and discs for restaurant-worthy results. You can precisely chop, consistently slice, and evenly mix all in this appliance. The 4 Auto IQ intelligent preset programs make food prep easier with 3 speeds, low, high, and pulse. You can chop veggies, shred cheese, and make smooth sauces in quick pizza dough or cookie dough from scratch, all at the touch of a button. This versatile Ninja food processor comes with a 20-recipe inspiration guide to help you create delicious meals for any occasion. It's the smaller version of the well-known Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system. This impressive food processor is equipped with everything you need to make quick work of all your food preparation tasks, from chopping and dicing to mixing and kneading. The large 9-cup processor bowl is perfect for large batches, while the interchangeable disc and blade system lets you easily customize its tasks. The powerful dough mixer quickly and evenly folds in ingredients, making up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Plus, all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for quick and easy cleanup. For quick cleans, simply post some warm water and 1-2 small drops of dish soap to quickly clean the bowl and blades. If you are on the lookout for a food processor that can handle close to all of your kitchen needs, look no further than the Ninja Professional Food Processor. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a versatile, affordable, and reliable food processor. With 4 attachments, you can spiralize, slice, shred, chop, and puree to your heart's content. The stainless steel S blade is great for chopping, mixing, and pureeing, while the spiral and ribbon blades make it easy to create perfect veggie spirals and ribbons. The stainless steel disc shreds and slices quickly and easily. The 2.5 feet chute means you can fit whole foods like zucchini or blocks of cheese without having to pre-cut them. The base of a food processor hides its engine. Here, a 450W motor that can handle tough ingredients, while the 2-speed pull style gives you complete control over the processing. With a 10-cup capacity, the Hamilton Beach comes close to a large food processor. You can process large quantities of food at once, and the pour spout on the bowl makes it easy to transfer dressings, sauces, and purees into serving or storage containers. Hamilton Beach's all food zones are BPA-free for your safety. It is not only safe for your health, but also dishwasher safe and easy to clean. The brush attachments lift away any trapped pieces of food when washing or rinsing under running water, making cleanup a breeze. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 8-Cup Food Processor. Among the food processors you can buy, the BLACK+DECKER 8-Cup Food Processor is the best choice for its efficiency and budget friendliness. This machine is ideal for anyone who loves to cook, whether you're a beginner or a pro. His smart design lets you set the work bowl onto the base and uses the lid as the locking mechanism. No more fumbling to secure the bowl. The stainless steel blade swiftly chops and combines ingredients for rapid, consistent results. The reversible slicing and shredding disc lets you quickly slice veggies and shred cheese without tiring your forearms. With 450 watts of power, this food processor handles tough ingredients with ease. This powerful kitchen tool can handle all of your chopping, mixing, shredding, and slicing needs in no time, so you can enjoy fresh, healthy meals without all the fuss. The large 8-cup capacity feed chute fits up to a whole block of cheese for speedy shredding, is perfect if you're feeding many people or hosting an open house. The large capacity bowl is perfect for making large batches of your favorite recipes, and all of the removable parts are dishwasher safe for a quick and easy cleanup. This is one of the best food processors. Best value, definitely. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, check out the description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as they will make your life much easier.